Right, good morning gardeners. This morning we're in the kitchen. I'm going to make up a concoction for spraying fruit trees and fruit bushes. Just use basic ingredients. We've got vegetable oil, we've got chilies, hot chili peppers, we've got garlic, and we've got cinnamon. So basically we're going to make up a mixture which is going to be used for spraying. So basically, keep it simple as possible. We'll add 2 cups or 500 mils of vegetable oil to a jug. That's about it, yeah. I'll chop up I won't even skin the garlic, I'll just leave them on there. Chop them up roughly. Keep it nice and simple. We chuck those into the oil. Chop up the chilies, seeds and all. We chuck those in. So these are hot chilies. We'll get 1 cinnamon stick. Lovely. That's a lovely smell. We'll get 1 cinnamon stick. Break that up roughly. Chuck that in. Give all that a nice stir. So that will sit in there for 48 hours. So allowing everything in there to infuse into the oil. A few more seeds there, I might as well chuck those in. Right, after it's infused for 48 hours, what I'll do is I'll use a funnel and a sieve and put it into the bottle. So what I use this for is to spray the fruit trees and the fruit bushes. I mean, the cost of these ingredients came to about £1.50, so you're going to save yourself bundles of money. So for every 200 mils, which is about 4/5 of a cup really, we'll put that into the spray bottle. 4/5 of a cup of the liquid, the mixture. To that we'd add 1/4 of a cup of washing up liquid. Mix those thoroughly, then top it up to 5 litres. So that'd be 5 litres of water for 4/5 of a cup of the mixture and 1/4 of a cup of washing up liquid. So that'd be ready for use. So for every batch you make, you can get maybe 2 to 3 sprays. So that works out to sort of 60 to 75 pence per usage. So which is very cheap compared to what's available on the high street. So what I do is I spray this when the fruit bushes and fruit trees are dormant. So what happens is the oil and the detergent will suffocate and kill any sort of larvae of bugs like whitefly, aphids, mealybugs and greenfly. So that'll suffocate those and kill them off. And then what happens with the other ingredients that are in there, the cinnamon, the chilies, the garlic, they'll act as a repellent. So hopefully you don't get the bugs come back and laying their eggs again on your fruit bushes and trees. So it's got a dual action really. It's organic, it's environmentally friendly, it saves you a lot of money, well worth a try. I'd recommend it. I'll be using this mixture in the coming week when the weather conditions are favourable for me. So if you want to see me spraying the fruit trees and bushes, please subscribe to my channel.